The overall goal of this experiment is to demonstrate how to use a fluidic bed funnel generator to obtain a stable aerosol from nanoparticle powders.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of occupational health, such as whether handling of nanomaterial powders is likely to result in worker exposure to nanoparticles and associated health risks. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides robust and controllable aerosolization of nanoparticle powders as a reliable source of nanoaerosols for various applications.
The setup for this experiment is inside a ventilation chamber. All of the components are in place to help orient viewers. One principal component is the V-shaped glass aerosol generator, capable of resisting high pressures. Use conductive particle transport tubing to connect this element to a mixing compartment. The mixing compartment is a 1-liter grounded metallic bottle. More conductive particle tubing connects the mixing compartment to the measurement chamber, a grounded 12-liter metallic drum. Particle samples are drawn from its top. Extra flow is directed into a filtration system. This schematic provides an overview of the complete system. Dry compressed air is filtered with a hyperfilter before it enters the system. A high-precision flow tuner controls the flow rate into the aerosol generator. The generated aerosol meets a dilution flow in the mixing chamber.